Hello everyone, I am very happy to announce that UPSC has released the notification for the combined geoscientist preliminary examination 2022. And after the disappointment last year when no seats were released for the geologists, this year we are seeing a good number of seats. So please stay tuned to look at how many seats have been released for the geologists this year. And to basically view the notification, all you need to do is go to this website upsc.gov.in. So इस साइट पर आपको जाना है एंड इस साइट पर जाके the first thing that you have to see यहाँ पर what's new, that is where you will see all the most recent notification. Now this is basically moving up, so better to click view all, and here you will see all the notifications. So exam notification may you will see the combined geoscientist preliminary examination 2022 notification, and you can click here to view the notification, and we'll go through basically this notification and how you can apply. So all this application procedure you can go through. I want to directly jump to the more exciting part, that is the part that is related to number of seats. Okay, so the number of seats is given on page number 2. Okay, so for category 1, posts in the Geological Survey of India, Ministry of Mines. So for geologists, Group A positions, there are 100 vacancies this year, which is a pretty good number considering what happened last year. For category 2, which is for hydrogeology, so last year hydrogeology recruitment was done. The preliminary stage for the hydrogeologists and geologists is the same. So 20 seats over there for which you may be eligible. So in total you may be eligible for 120 seats. So this is what we have. Again, take a look at the eligibility criteria. You must be a citizen of India, basically, or a subject of Nepal, subject of Bhutan, and there are some others, and age limits. Okay, so you must be between 21 and 32 years of age. Okay, so so in the year in which the examination is to be held, that is as of 1st January 2022, if you are less than 32 years of age, you are eligible for this post. So you have Group A geologist post in Geological Survey of India, and basically you please also go through the syllabus. It is given here in this document, I believe. Okay, and also you need a master's degree in geological sciences or applied geology, geoexploration, mineral exploration, even petroleum geosciences. All these branches are given over here. The only requirement here is it mentions only about master's degree. Nothing is mentioned about your bachelor's degree. So please go through this document and how to apply. Keep in mind the last date for application. Okay, so it has been announced on 22nd September 2021. Okay, and the main examination is likely to be held in the month of July August 2022, and the main stage, so you will have paper 1 general studies, paper 2 geology hydrogeology, total 400 marks. Now important to note, unlike many other examinations in which the preliminary marks do not count to your final score, preliminary is only qualifying stage where you have to get rank, and then your marks are sort of forgotten. So in this paper the marks will carry forward, so that is very very important. तो आपको प्रिलिमिनरी का बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करना है, क्योंकि आफ्टर दैट मेंस स्टेज इज मोर सब्जेक्टिव. उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोर नहीं करते हैं लोग यूजुअली. इवन 50% 40% स्कोर इज कंसिडर्ड वेरी गुड. तो उसमें डिफरेंस बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आएगा यूजुअली. बेस्ड ऑन प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स यू कैन प्रिपेयर, लेकिन यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द इनिशियल स्टेज वेरी वेरी वेल. जनरल स्टडीज़ पार्ट को बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है, एंड ऑल्सो जियोलॉजी पार्ट और हाइड्रोजियोलॉजी पार्ट को प्रिलिमिनरी स्टेज में बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना है. यू हैव टू गेट वेरी गुड मार्क्स. सो इसका टोटल जो वेटेज होगा दैट विल बी 400 मार्क्स. और उसके बाद देन 600 मार्क्स विल बी फॉर पेपर 1, पेपर 2, पेपर 3 ऑफ जियोलॉजी in the mains stage. Similarly for geophysics, and similarly for chemist and hydrogeology as well. So 600 plus 400 total 1000 marks. And then you have to basically prepare very very well for this particular part. One thing also keep in mind that the syllabus for the preliminary stage and the main stage is slightly different. The preliminary stage syllabus is more limited. तो अभी आपको मेंस का बिल्कुल इशू नहीं है. मेंस के लिए ज़्यादा अभी आपको स्ट्रगल नहीं करना है. आपका फोकस शुड बी ऑन प्रीलिम्स, ओके, बिकॉज यू हैव टू गेट वेरी गुड मार्क्स इन प्रीलिम्स. प्रीलिम्स अगर अच्छा क्लियर होगा, इट विल गिव यू कॉन्फिडेंस टू डू वेल इन द मेंस एग्जाम एज वेल. सिलेबस उसी हिसाब से करना है. आफ्टर प्रीलिम्स यू विल हैव February, March, April, May, June, July, so almost 6 months, which is more than sufficient for your mains preparation अगर आपने prelims का preparation अच्छे से किया है. So for prelims, please look at this stage 1 syllabus, okay. It is very limited syllabus in comparison to the main stage. तो इतना है बस ये syllabus जो prelims का है, okay. General studies में this part you have to prepare, okay. We will have a session on general studies as well very shortly. कैसे prepare करना है, क्या trend रहा है पिछले papers में, and what you have to basically focus on. So we will have a discussion on this part specifically. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to know, if you want to keep getting updates on on the notification that we will be releasing. कोई important talks होगा regarding different subjects. So we will cover all these particular parts. After that, you move on to the stage 2. Stage 2 का syllabus is more expanded, so it's much larger in comparison to the syllabus for stage 1. And then for the time being, you don't worry about this particular part. If you are preparing well, okay, for preliminary stage only, if you are seeing time, okay, you're preparing for GATE exam and all, some parts of this will already be covered, okay. If you study well, 6 months will be more than enough after the exam, okay. So please submit your applications as soon as possible. Do not wait until the last date. I would say submit your applications by today or tomorrow itself, or whenever the application open. I'm not seeing when the online applications open. Maybe it is mentioned at the start, okay. So online using website, so these details are given, okay. So online applications can be filled up to 12th October. So the applications will close on 12th October. Please keep that in mind. So please submit your applications as soon as possible. Don't wait until the last moment. With this, I will say goodbye to all of you, okay, and very soon we will conduct a session on how to prepare for general studies, and see you all in that session.